Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Now let's get into today's video.
Maybe the girls' weekend trip. I have sorted everything out at home. So the Midlands. I can't wait.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Well guys, just days after Babes Wodumo and Mampinja revealed that their reality show Uthando Lodumo will be streaming on Showmax on the 30th of June 2021. Yesterday, Babes Wodumo shared the exciting news of welcoming her child with Mampinja. She shared the good news on her social media pages. It was reported that Babes Wodumo and Mampinja welcomed their baby boy. So guys, Babes Wodumo and Mampinja are now parents to a baby boy. Well guys, Babes Wodumo went live on her social media pages and shared her experience with delivering. She revealed that giving birth, it is not a joke. Without wasting your time, please watch a clip of Babes Wodumo opening up about her childbirth experience.
Hello guys. I hope everyone will right. Yeah, Peter guys.
Okay. So Natia comes down and to greet the ladies. And her and Ayanda, they just click. And, honestly, I believe Ayanda genuinely loves Natia.
Angazi noma maybe the
Girls' weekend trip. I have sorted everything out at home. So
the Midlands.
I can't
Wait.
and we are en route to the Midlands,
Lala phela manje kodwa ngosami.
for a weekend away.
Kala futhi lezi ngana yilalini.
Experience her products. Ooh, these girls are working, they are booked, they are getting paid. Wow.
So yeah,
So, are you
ni right sila locations apa. Yeah. So guys, can you alapan?
Well, today we are traveling to Midlands, getaway holiday. On our way to Midlands, so I happen to travel with